Hello guys, today I'll be unboxing Honor 6X by Huawei from Amazon. In the box I got 3GB RAM variant cause there is 4GB variant phone too. Let's unbox it. I'll just get the phone out of the box. And now you can see the phone itself. It is very light and slim looking phone. It just weighs 163 grams. I'll just give a look around. Let's keep this aside and see what we get in the box. We get some papers. We get the warranty card and a manual. Beside that, we have a SIM card tray ejector, and inside we have power brick which supports fast charging technology. We also get micro USB cable. And now let's check out the ports. In the bottom we'll see two speaker like grill, but actually the left one is speaker and the right is microphone, and it has a micro USB port for charging and data transfer. Moving to the right side, we see a power button and volume up down button which gives clicky feedback. To the left we see SIM card tray. It is a hybrid tray. We can insert two SIMs, nano and micro, which supports 4G too, and we can insert a SD card for expansion. And the cameras, in the rear side we have dual lens, 12 megapixels primary and 2 megapixel secondary camera, which is for blurred background effect. This is fingerprint reader. Let's remove the plastic from the back. We see this is very beautiful. And now I'll just power it on and quickly get inside. Here you can see it runs on EMUI version 4.1 on top of Android version 6.0 Marshmallow. It has Kirin 655 Octa-Core CPU with 3GB RAM and internal storage of 32GB. It has 3340 mAh lithium battery. I got the update from Honor from a phone. It's going to upgrade my Android version from 6.0 to 7.0, no good. And also EMUI version from 4.1 to 5.0. So I'll just go ahead and update it and catch you guys. So it restarted a couple of times and now all set to go. And now as you can see the updated Android version and EMUI version. So this is it for this phone. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and catch you in the next one.